Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Listen, I am back and brand new. Even though this is the middle of the year, I had a lot of thinking. So let me start off fresh. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how I wash my makeup brushes. This is the soap I use right here, Roma soap. And these are my bag of brushes. Yes, I've been working. So I'm going to show you how I wash my bag of brushes. Separating each brushes by their own kind will make this process even more faster. The soap that I'm using is a laundry detergent. Alright, I already cleaned, sanitized, bleached my working area. So I grab a handful of soap and a handful of foundation. Make sure you wet the brushes first and you swish it all in your hands to break off the foundation. And also drip it on the stick as well and rub it together and it'll break off every foundation on the stick. Some people may say, oh, it's too much water, too much water. Everyone have their own method on washing their brushes as well. You can also use conditioner to soften up the brushes. I didn't have no conditioner at the moment, but sometimes I use conditioner after I wash the brushes. This soap breaks up the product very fast. As you can see how quick I am moving along, I'm already in the eyeshadow brushes. Look how quick that was to wash it. Now I'm already in my powder brushes, in my blush brushes. It's so fast. When I say it's fast, it's fast. That Roma soap, I use it for everything. I use it to wash the dishes, wash the bathroom, wash my brushes. Sometimes I might use it to wash my car. I love using Roma soap when dealing with the synthetic brushes as well. It will break the product off even faster. Some people say I love using Dawn. Dawn is good, but it takes a little bit more time and I ain't got time to waste. So that's why I'm using the Roma soap to hurry up and finish. Dawn is kind of expensive to me when washing a whole bunch of brushes. So I save more money using a powder, laundry detergent, Roma soap. And for those out there saying, oh, it might have some type of chemical reaction on somebody's face, I never had an issue. And I've been doing this for 10 years. So for y'all questioning about, oh, laundry detergent, as well as when you go to the dry cleaner, laundromat, if you have the people wash your clothes, you don't know what product they're using on your clothes. You still let them do it, right? Okay then. But your skin or whatever be fine. Not everyone, but I'm just saying, I never had an issue, never had a problem, and never had a complaint. To each your own. If you guys are enjoying this video and how fast I'm washing my brushes, please comment, like and comment and share your thoughts about this process. And when I say clean your brushes in under 5 minutes, yes I did, because I cleaned all my brushes under 5 minutes making this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you. See you again. Also, drop down in the comments what other videos you guys want to see.